In this video, we are going to learn how do you search for folder names. Let's say there is a folder name given to you, and I would tell you in this directory, in the subdirectories where these folders are available, can you find out using Bactch Script. So in this video, we are going to learn that. Let's move on to our screen and let's get started. Alright, so let's see what is the context here. Here you can see in the test folder, in this specific folder, there are so many folders. And if I ask you, you have to find the data folder, any folder which starts with data. So you can see data, data1 and data2. So there are three folders directly inside this directory. Now if I go to one of the folder where I have knowingly kept this file data3, so it is there inside ABC folder. Inside that there is another folder called data3. So your job, you have to write a bash script which can fetch me all the folders which starts with data. Okay, that is the requirement. Now for this you will have to use this for loop command with the switch called d /d switch we have to use to get this done. Okay, so let's see how this can be implemented on our bash script. Okay, so let's write a simple code echo of, then I will say change directory, and I would like to go to this specific directory, okay, test folder directory. So I'll get that there, and then I have to use the for loop. Okay, I'll use the for loop, and then I will use the d. Now let's look at the syntax. Okay, how it is written. Then I have to write percentage variable. So let's write that percentage any variable. I will go with a. Okay, and then I will say in do. Now after in I have to write something called the set. Okay, so here I have to write the set means the folder set, what exactly you would like to search for. So here I would like to search for data, right? So I will say data, and I'll use a wild character. So why I'm using a wild character? Wild character means after data, it could be data 0 or any length. Okay, 0 or any length. So after data, if there is anything else, 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 or whatever is there, it should be able to even pick that details from this directory. If anything is found, any folder is found with data1, data2 or data 1 2 3 4 5, that's a big name. So whatever the length it is, you can use it. This is for 0 or more. Okay, 0 or more. If you put a question mark, this is means single character. Okay, this is for single character. So we'll go for wild character. Done. And then I will say echo folder found, and I will say percentage a, pretty simple. Okay, pretty simple one. And then I'm going to say pause. So let's see how this one is working. I'm going to teach you something extra on this one. So let's go to the script and run the script. Okay, so what is happening? You can see the output has arrived. I see data, I see data1, I see data2, but I do not see data3. See data. So whatever was there directly within the directory, I could find that out. But one folder is also there inside ABC. It could not find it out. Okay, so how to get that? Yesterday we have learned about a switch, R switch, right, which is about getting inside the folders and subfolders, right? So I'll be simply putting that R switch here. Okay, and save it, and I'm going to run the script once again. Okay, now if you see, if I run the script, it was able to also find the data 3. Getting it? So it went inside the root, the root directories or inside the subfolders, and it was able to fetch me the required data what I want. Okay, pretty simple command. You can make a note of this and you can start experimenting. So thank you guys for watching. Let's move on to our next topic.